This is Woody, and today I took my boat out today just to see if I can launch it on my own. The hard thing about the launching was getting the boat in the water. Everything else was cool. So I did that for like half a day. Then I came back, parked the boat, and tried to catch some crappie on Dutchman's Creek Bridge, and did okay. Here I can show you what I got. Got two slabs right here. Nice crappie. So this is my day of fishing right here. So it's about all the crappie coming in February, March, April, around the time frame. They're coming in to spawn. So I may have to try out the bridge again. I may try the boat when it gets a little bit warmer, because right now a cold front's coming through South Carolina. So I won't be doing that much boating until probably March. So this is it. So hope you enjoy it. Like and subscribe if you want to see more action coming soon.